So now we have calculated the 6 numbers. Here they are. Okay, so all we need to do is to highlight this area there, highlight all of this, Control C. This table, we're going to replace it with a brand new table. Yeah. Now, remember, we said we have to substitute all these. We need to get 6 numbers. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have gotten those 6 numbers. But according to the example, we can reduce those 6 numbers to 3 numbers. By the way, this is my invention. You might not see that anywhere else. Let's call it A, B, and C. Because if you look at the formula has 3 subtractions in it. 1 in the numerator and 2 in the denominator. 1 minus 2, 3 minus 4, 5 minus 6. So instead of substituting 6 long numbers, we can substitute 3 numbers. Okay, so let's find A, B, and C. Okay, A is number 1 minus 2, B is number 3 minus 4, C is number 5 minus 6. Okay, so let's do that there to simplify things a little bit. Let's find A, B, and C. Actually, we can even do that in Excel itself. Okay, so we can do that here. We can call that A. We can call that B, and we can call that C. Okay, A, B, and C. All right, A is equal to B11 minus B12. Enter. All right. C, B is equal to B13 minus B14. Enter. C is equal to B15 minus B16. Enter. Okay. So as you can see, we have reduced 6 numbers to 3 numbers. Okay, so these are the 3 numbers we're going to substitute into the formula, okay, to make things a little simpler. So here you have A, B, and C, and these are the values we're going to substitute into the formula. So we can just go back again and copy all this working with A, B, and C included. Go back to our working, just undo this, all right, and just paste our A, B, and C. Is A, B, and C, and then we can simply substitute into the formula for R. Okay, so we can, all right, we have A, B, and C already. Here they are. So we can simply go to insert equations. R is equal to, okay, and fraction, numerator and denominator. Okay, and don't forget in the denominator there is a square root sign in the denominator. There's a square root sign in the denominator. Please don't forget there's a square root sign in the denominator. Yes, square root sign in the denominator. And the denominator, the numerator is A19560. The denominator is B times C. So that is 16432 multiply to 24086. Okay. Equal. Yes. Just a minute. Now, so 16432 times 2406, we can, right. So we carry our 19560. So we go to our calculators, and we could even use Excel also. We can use Excel to multiply the denominator. You know, we can put equal. That is B, that is E13, E13, okay, times E14. Enter. Okay. Let's just increase the space there. Okay. 395781152. 395781152. So we have 395. So the square root of 395. Okay, let's just type this here. 395. All right. 781152. 781152. 781152. Now we have to square root this number. Okay, we've got to square root this number. So we carry this. Have to be very careful with this formula. 19560. We have to square root this number. We can do this in our calculators, but Excel is a calculator also. So we can just type equal. Square root is SQ. All right, square root. Double click on it. And what we want to square root is F13. All right, and close bracket. Enter. So we have 19894.25. 19894.25. 19894. 19894.25. 19894.25. 19894.25. Okay, here it is. 19894.25. Okay, and now we have to divide. Bear in mind, you must get a value that must not exceed -1, neither one. No matter what you do, your final answer have to be between -1 and 1 inclusive. You cannot get 1 point something, you cannot get -1 point something. Okay, it must be between -1 and 1 inclusive. You can get -1, you can get 1. Actually, the example got, what was the example in? We got, for product moment, we got 1 example. In the example, got 1 for the Pearson's product moment. For the Spearman's, I think they got 0.88. Here it is. In this example, 0.88. Okay, so bear that in mind. Okay, and you can get a -0 point. You can get -0.5, -0.3, that would be weak. -0.9, that would be strong. +0.4 weak. +0.8 strong. Okay, so let's say what we get when we divide. Okay, so this is the moment of truth. We have to divide 19560 divided by 19894.25. So we can do that in our calculators. Okay, and just type enter. I get 0.983. 2 decimal places suffice. 0.983 or 0.98. That's clearly is strong positive because it's between 0.5 and 1 and it's positive. So there's a strong positive correlation. Okay, and the advantage of doing this via Excel, you can actually use Excel itself to prove that you have gotten the correct answer. And here, this is an easy peasy. So let's see if 0.98 is the correct answer. So you just go back to your Excel and you highlight your values. Please pay attention to this proof. You can use it to prove your answer. Highlight the X values, or you don't need to highlight the X values. You go to your Excel and you go to insert. Here we are proving to see if it's 0.98 for true. You can do this in Excel with a click of a button. You go to insert, you go to formulas. No, you go to formulas first. You have home, insert, page layout, and formulas. You go to formulas. Then you go to insert function. And then look, Pearson is watching us right there because I used it, previously. If you don't use it, it will appear in the list. You look for it on the statistical. All right, on the statistical, you have average, you have all different formulas. You look for P, And look, Pearson is right there because this is in alphabetical order listed. Pearson, you just click OK. Now Pearson will ask you which numbers to use for the X. The X, oh, by the way, let me cancel because I put my sheet there. So let me, the cursor, I put it there. So therefore now Excel was going to give me R right here. So let me just, let's say I want R to be here. So let's put R is equal to, let's say I want it to be right here. So let me just go back again, put this there, increase this in size. I want to see a big R to see if I was on the right track. So Excel need to put my answer right there. So you have to tell Excel where to put your answer. Okay, I accidentally typed there, so it was going to put it right there for me. All right, so let's go back to formulas, insert, okay, Pearson's, statistics, let's look for P for Pearson's, right, look at right there, Pearson's product moment. Okay, now, which numbers? A2 to A8, that's my X values, all right, look at listed there right there, X values, Y values, B2 to B9, to B8, Y values. And look, give it there right away, 0.983, here it is. Okay, 0.983. So by a click of a button, you can calculate your Pearson's product moment. Imagine you're in a real research, then that's how you'd have to do it. But you still have to learn it manually because of the need for you to get accustomed with interacting with the numbers itself and to master the formula and to get an idea and appreciate the idea that we are measuring correlation. Here you have it using Excel and it matches our answer that we did, okay, step by step.